Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you some of the best travel tech at CES. Now I just got off the room floor, I'm back in my room, and I've had a lot of chance to process some of the coolest travel tech that I've seen at CES and show it to you. And just talking about CES for just a quick moment, I could do an entire video just about traveling to CES because it is quite an experience, and I could do a separate travel video on CES alone, just coming here, what that's like, what Las Vegas is like, how huge the Las Vegas Convention Center is, and trying to navigate all of the booths. But this is some of the best travel tech that I've seen so far, starting with some headphones. Now it seems like companies are trying to get really creative with the physical design of headphones, including making them more durable or more wearable, while some other companies are going and attacking the audio quality, giving up some portability, and making headphones of a really high audio quality. Now starting with these tough tested headphones, they are a lot bulkier, but they're designed to take a beating in a small wireless package. Now if you look at this band on the back, it's very flexible and it's got this thick rubber sole around it to keep it protected. And one of the features of these headphones is you can really bend that back part. It's designed not to break, and it's designed to be sort of stuffed into a bag in and out. It has these two magnets for the headphones, and it has an external speaker as well. Hopefully I'm going to get my hands on these pretty soon to give them a test. They're coming out in March to see what the audio quality is really like, but in my quick test of the speakers and the headphones, the audio was pretty good. Then I came across this interesting concept for headphones, which are these wearables, these wristband headphones called wraps. This company also makes charging cables, and to be honest, I'm surprised that I haven't seen this before or that this isn't more popular, but as far as wired headphones go, for portability, this seems like it's a really easy way to just have your headphones, especially if you're getting on and off a plane, just to quickly wrap them around your wrist and go. And also for places where you don't want to have your headphones necessarily around your neck, you don't want them to be too conspicuous. I thought this was a really clever idea. I've got a pair of these that I'm going to test out to see what the audio quality is like, and they do have a Bluetooth version coming out in a couple weeks, which I'll also hopefully get to test, but I thought the design was a pretty cool concept. Now coming over to the Jabra booth, I was completely blown away. I've got to say their demo was just absolutely excellent. Now I'm a big fan of the Bose Quiet Comfort series and of noise cancelling in general. I think it's almost essential to have it when you're flying, but these Jabra 85H headphones just completely blew me away. So essentially these headphones have 8 microphones in them. 6 of those microphones are adjusting and listening to the ambient noise around you. They're also calculating the noise that comes from the vibrations in your head when you're speaking, and it's all designed to cut out all of the extra noise and make it as silent for you as possible. And on top of that, it uses AI to detect where you are, whether you're commuting, whether you're in the subway, at the train station, or maybe at your desk working. It uses AI to try to figure that out and give you the best noise canceling for that situation. So for example, when you're at a train station, you probably want to hear some ambient noise so you can hear the announcements, or if you're walking outside, you definitely want to be able to hear cars and other people. But if you're sitting at your desk and you're using your headphones to listen to music, then you probably want to just hear the music and hear nothing else. And when I was in the Jabra demo booth, I could not hear anything else when this thing was on pure noise cancelling. Everything was silent. I mean, it was incredibly impressive. But on top of that, generally with noise cancelling headphones, when the noise cancelling is active, you hear this sort of very high pitch hiss. I mean, it's almost undetectable, but it is still there. With these headphones, that didn't happen, that didn't occur. It didn't even feel like you were wearing headphones. It was truly impressive. These headphones are going to retail about the same price as the Bose Quiet Comfort, which is about $300. And I think that Bose and Sony are going to have some competition on their hands if these headphones can take off. Now drones. Drones. Now when it comes to drones, I noticed the drones are going to the extremes. Either very small or very big or very high quality. The drone space is evolving very quickly. It's not just DJI anymore. I feel like there's a lot of competition, and the drone space is going, like I said, from really small to high quality, and it's really branching out. Oh yeah, and there was also this Navitix Mito underwater drone. I think this was one that captured my imagination probably the most at CES. Now I really like the little drones, like when we're talking about air drones, there was this nano drone that shoots at 720. There were these other smaller drones, but none of them really felt like completed products. It seemed like a taste of the future when we'll all probably have drones that we can carry in our pockets. I mean, really small drones at very high quality. But when it came to this underwater drone, it really just inspired me. So the way that this underwater drone works is basically you have this little buoy that floats on top of the water, and then you've got a 130-foot or 40-meter cord that allows the drone to go underwater. Now, in theory, what you could do is you could be on a boat and drop this buoy in the water and then go off, or just drop it off at shore and have the drone go straight out. It has 2 to 4 hours of battery life, and it can go quite far away, I think about 1 kilometer away from you, and it has this solar panel on top as well to give it extra power. But it essentially is this small portable drone that's designed for underwater. It shoots at 4K. It sends back while you're actually shooting the video. It sends back to your phone, shoots in 1080. And I think the possibilities for something like this are just quite incredible. I'm hoping to get my hands on one of these to do an actual test in the ocean somewhere really cool to get some good footage to see what this looks like. But I love the concept of underwater drones. There were quite a bit of them at CES. They all don't look like they're quite fully realized products. This Mito was probably the closest that I saw that was sort of a product that you could imagine using. Still a little bit larger than you would like, but I think the concept and the possibilities for something like this, especially if you go to the beach, a lot, I think this would just be an incredible addition to the video that you can possibly take when you're traveling. Speaking of video when you're traveling, I thought this Vooz was a really cool concept. Now Vooz have had these products before which take video in 360, and then that allows you to convert it into a VR, so you can put a VR headset on and have the virtual experience. So essentially you're recording a virtual experience of a vacation. So maybe you could put this down in the middle of the beach and it would take this 360. But this handheld version of the product, which is gonna run about $450, takes a 256 gigabyte memory card. It lets you take 180 degrees or 360 degrees around you. You can walk around the streets of Rome, for example, and you can take these videos which you can either live stream to Facebook or upload to YouTube as 360 videos. But what really impressed me is what they look like through these VR headsets. Honestly, it's probably the closest way you can get to reliving a vacation currently. The quality was really exceptional, and it really did blow my mind when I put these on, and I could really see the use case for this. You might be recording your vacations in VR, or I might be vlogging in VR pretty soon. I really thought this was a cool product, and I think the price point is getting to where a lot of people might consider using this on their next vacation. So there you have it. That's some of the best travel tech from the first part of CES. There's still 2 more days to go, and I'll be there checking out more travel tech. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know any products that you'd like to see in the comments below as well. I'll check them out for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.